Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove spare tire Infiniti QX80, updated. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and use wheel chocks for safety. Locate the spare access panel under the rear cargo floor and unfold the jack and lug wrench. Turn the lowering bolt counterclockwise until the tire reaches the ground. Pull the tire out from the carrier and inspect the jack and winch for rust. Get the right tools before you begin, like a lug wrench, glove, and flashlight. First, remove cargo floor trim and secure loose items. Find the spare carrier access under the cargo area and locate the lowering bolt with the lug wrench. If bolts are corroded, apply penetrating oil and let it sit a few minutes. Keep a phone handy for help and call roadside assistance if the bolt won't budge. Lower the spare slowly using a breaker bar and the lug wrench following the carrier cable direction. Support the tire as it drops to avoid finger injuries and keep the vehicle stable. Once the tire rests, detach the retaining hook or retainer clip and pull the tire toward the rear. Inspect the valve stem and tire pressure before mounting. Stow tools and clean the area to prevent debris from interfering with.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.